In recent years, the use of artificial intelligence in video editing has become increasingly prevalent. One company that has been making waves in the space is Runway. Founded as a pet project of a college student, Runway ML has evolved into a generative AI video editing company that has worked with clients like New Balance and CBS The Late Show with Stephen Colbert. In this video, we will take a closer look at how some organizations are using Runway ML's AI tools to automate parts of the video editing process. One of the most time-consuming tasks in a video editing is rotoscoping. This process involves tracing over a subject outline frame by frame in order to pair them with a new background. Before AI tools and machine learning, this process would take days for a 5 or 6 second shot. With the help of AI, however, rotoscoping can now be done in matter of minutes. The solution, one company that is leading in AI-powered rotoscoping is Runway ML. Its green screen tool has been used by VFX artist Ivan Halleck, who worked on the Oscar-nominated film Everything Everywhere All at Once. Halleck used Runway's tool to automate the process of rotoscoping for the rock scenes in the film. With sands and other moving objects in scenes, it was difficult to get a clean cut by hand. Runway tool allowed Halleck to cut out the characters and recreate a new background quickly and easily. Since using Runway ML's AI tools, Halleck estimates that he has been saved a week or two of time on his. Video editors on The Late Show with Stephen Colbert have also used Runway tools for rotoscoping, which typically could take them team of 5 hours for one shot by hand, compared to 5 minutes with the software that technology Runway ML offers. Fall into two main categories: generative AI for videos and automation for video edit. Its research scientists work along its video team, and the deployment, infrastructure and training of 35 tools are all done in-house. The company has different subscription levels, including a pro membership that costs $144 per user annually and an enterprise level team membership priced at $336 per user annually. With competition in the generative AI space at an all-time high, Runway ML is learning on research and product integration to set it apart. The company's co-founder, CEO Cristobal Valenzuela, says that product and model are not necessarily the same, and that Runway specializes in building products. While there are big tech companies making generative AI video tools like Meta, Make a Video, Google's Imagine Video, Valenzuela believes that Runway focuses on research and product integrations that help it stand out in the market. Runway ML is just one of the companies that are using AI to automate parts of the video editing process. With its AI-powered rotoscoping tools, the company is helping video editors save time and improve the quality of their work. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more companies like Runway ML emerging in the space. And that's from my side. See you next one. Bye.